Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through a simple but very useful feature on Telegram's latest update. If you use Telegram on your PC and want your username QR code to display your profile photo, this is exactly what you've been waiting for. By the end of this video, you'll know step by step how to show your profile picture on your QR code so people can recognize you instantly. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is running, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the main menu button. Go ahead and click on it. From the menu that appears, select My Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where all of your account details are displayed. Here you'll also notice the option connected to your username. Right beside it, or just below it, you will find the QR code icon. Click on that to open your personal QR code. By default, the QR code may only show your username without a profile photo. But with the new update, Telegram has introduced an option that allows you to add your picture right on it. This makes your QR code more personal and easier for others to recognize at a glance. Once the QR code window opens, look for the toggle that says Profile Photo. Simply enable it, and instantly your QR code will refresh with your picture showing at the top. This feature is especially useful if you share your QR code with friends, colleagues, or groups. It ensures people know it's really you. After activating it, you can save or share the QR code directly from your PC. And just like that, you're done. Your username QR code now includes your profile photo, making it more personalized and secure. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've leveled up your Telegram profile, making it more professional and easier to identify. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to try it out right now and make your profile stand out with your picture on your QR code.